Right, we are going to make the video for the Arburg 420C all-rounder 88-ton injection molding machine. The machine is actually right now in operation, so you can see it running. And as you can see, the machine is in absolutely perfect, pristine condition, barely used. And well, here's the graphic interface. It shows you all the steps of the injection graphically. As you can see, you have injection nominal pressure on green, injection actual pressure on purple, and screw actual volume on red. So you can see the progress of the part as it's being injected. Right? The machine has the heating areas here, and funnels for the material, and it's a hydraulic system. So let's see what the as you can see, it has multiple steps for the injection pins, which can be found here in this menu here. All right, let's switch around the menu. So you see there's a stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and the actual values as it runs. Okay. Same with the this is an option actually. Normally comes with only one stage of injection pins. Now let's go to the mold closing. As you can see, you can select also how many stages. In this case, you have 2 stages. Stage 1, high speed, and then stage 2 has a protection mode. As you see, the stage 1 has 350 millimeters per second, and the stage 2 40 millimeters per second, with a 2.0 kilonewton force that allows you to protect the mold, because if the machine finds that at 2 kilonewtons it cannot close the mold, which is a very, very low pressure, it will stop and give you an alarm. So you can see what is in the middle of between the mold, something left there. So it has that feature. That's also another option on this machine. All right, that would be on the close of the machine. Mold protection, also another option. It's also included. In the opening, it's the same thing. As in this case, you can see it's for stage 1, very slow, then a fast one, and then another slow one. We can see that again in the operation. As we'll wait for the opening. In the opening, we'll see that it's going to have a very slow 11 millimeters per second, then 350, and then 50. So we'll see. Right now it's going to go into the first mode, very slow, okay, and then fast, and then slow again, and then multiple ejections. That multiple ejections allows you to make sure that the parts actually falls off of the mold. So those are also options on this machine. On the injection force for the nozzle contact, we have up to 99. You see 70 kilonewtons of pressure of the carriage into the mold. So you can make a very, very good seal. You see what else is there. You can also have an injection multiple stages. We have dosage volume. Stage 1 at 50 cc cubic centimeters per second at 140 bars. And 50 cubic centimeters, 400 bars. That allows you to slow down the speed of injection in case you want to prevent burnouts at the corners of the parts. That's also an option that's built into this machine. This machine has pretty much every option available. So it's much more expensive than the regular standard price of the machine. So let's see, holding pressure also. We have holding pressure also controlled by the system. You have quality parameters, and you have also quality monitoring. On the screw load, you have also stages, and what is the speed that you want, how many cooling time you want to leave after the holding time. Okay, next one would be, well, the graphics display is very, very nice. You have 2 graphics displays you can set up, and graphics 1 and graphics 2. You can select how many you want, 0 or 2, how many graphics panels you want. The delay, duration, curve count, everything is programmable. You can also look at the stages of the operation as it's running, you know, in a graphical manner. Closing, moving, injection, holding pressure, and then you'll see cooling time, and at the same time it's filling up the screw. Now moves away the screw, and then after that does the opening of the mold, and then the injection, all graphically shown here. Okay, so that's the process. Let's see what else. You can quality monitoring. You can activate it if you want, and then you have the. Let me get to that point. Where's that? Here. Screen display, Celsius, all settings. Here. Okay, here's where, so you can set up 0. Okay, so you can set it how many you want to select here. Let's say you want to make 100 parts. You enter that here, and that pre-selector will take care of that part. No cavity counters in case you have more than one part. You can select that and it will count those. And it will give you the actual number here. If there's any problem that the machine takes care of it, we'll actually count that as a bad part, and it will not update the pre-selected one until, I'm sorry, the cavity count one, the good parts, until that part is actually made. Well, you have like order information, things like that. So you can select, where's that? Here. Automatic selection. You can select the days for the week and all that. Let me see what else. Quality monitoring. Let's see, machine cycles, actual values, pressures. There's so many things that you can control, and as you can see on this machine, there is no knob anywhere. Absolutely nothing is controlled manually. Every single thing in this machine is controlled by the computer, by the actual computer. So you don't have to have somebody that knows about adjusting the pressures or anything like that, because it's all done by the computers, continuously updated in real time. And that's how the machine works. You know? So the ejection system has also bars to push the ejector fin plates. The cooling area, you can see here, you have 4 zones, so you can select and adjust for the cooling of the mold. Okay. What else is here? Access to the machine is very, very simple. Everything's really accessible. And all the manuals are here. You can see. All the manuals, all the software is still here, perfectly fine. All the diskettes for the system software in case you have to update it. Well, the machine is in very, very, very good condition. It's actually excellent condition. There's nothing on this machine that is not working as per specs. And it's a fantastic, super automatic machine that works really, really well. Today is Monday, July 6, 2015. We did this video for the purposes of showing people the machine that is for sale in operation. So you can see that it's fully operating, and that's about it. Thank you very much, and hope you have a good time.